Welcome aboard Good Juju, a beautiful 2019 Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 is a well-regarded cruising sailboat known for its excellent blend of performance, comfort, and innovative design. The boat showcases a modern, stylish look with clean lines and a sleek profile. The hull features a contemporary hard chine design. The hard chines extend from the midsection to the stern, providing increased stability and a larger interior volume. A long, graceful waterline delivers an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailor will appreciate, and twin rudders enhance handling and maneuverability, particularly in challenging conditions. Jeanneau is also known for its high standards in construction, and the Sun Odyssey 440 is no exception. The boat is built using a vacuum infusion process, which ensures a strong yet lightweight structure. At the stern, the transom includes a power fold-down swim platform that can be raised or lowered with just the push of a button. The swim platform extends a usable space and has a teak deck that provides excellent traction and provides easy access to the water with the stainless steel boarding ladder. Behind the protection of the folding transom is space to securely store a life raft in a location where it can be easily and quickly deployed. Boarding Good Juju is easy from either of the side gates or from the swim platform that can be operated by a remote. At the stern of the cockpit is a deck hatch providing access to the Onan 7.5 kilowatt generator. Good Juju's cockpit is spacious and features twin helm stations with leather-wrapped stainless steel Lumar wheels. There is adequate seating at both helms and along each side of the cockpit. A large central table with folding leaves and integrated storage is easy to move around and has an easy-to-reach handrail that adds to the security of the cockpit. The console at the end of the table provides an excellent location for the Raymarine autopilot control and the wind instrument, and located on the starboard side is the Yanmar engine control panel. At the starboard helm is a Raymarine chart plotter, bow thruster controller, and quick anchor chain counter are mounted where there is good visibility and easy access to the controls. At both helm station are Harken 2-speed electric winches, along with both the jib sheet and main sheet, making this an easy to single-hand big boat. At the port helm is an additional Raymarine chart plotter. The cockpit design offers an excellent 360-degree view. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to an easy access and controlled Harken 2-speed electric winch which is mounted on the cabin top. Good Juju is equipped with beautiful plexiglass companionway hatch and doors. The cockpit is well protected by a custom Dodger and bimini constructed with a large diameter 1 1/4 inch stainless steel tube. The walk-around deck features an open path from the cockpit to the side decks, making it exceptionally safe and easy to move from the cockpit forward on the wide side decks. A high-aspect Sheldon mast with its end mast furling provides a powerful and safe rig that is easy to operate. Deck hatches are flush fit, which enhances safety, eliminating a trip hazard and places for lines to snag while sailing. Continuing forward is easy with stays that are positioned to not impede movement. The bow locker provides an excellent location for storing deck gear or sails. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the quick windlass and the handheld controller, which is stored safely below a deck hatch. Moving aft, the walk-around deck feature makes accessing the cockpit safe and exceptionally easy. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with the wide companionway and gradual steps. Once below, you are greeted with a bright and inviting interior, while the sizable salon is bathed in natural light. The interior of the Sun Odyssey 440 is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. It features a spacious, open-plan layout with plenty of natural light and ventilation. The seating area is comfortable with a U-shaped settee around a central table. The sizable U-shaped galley is positioned to port and is designed for practicality. It features a stainless steel double sink, solid surface counters, a 3-burner stove, an oven, and a large refrigerator. There is an extra in-counter freezer to the right of the stove, and the microwave is designed to hide away under the countertop when not in use. Aft into port is a functional navigation station with desk and electronics. Moving forward, we enter the forward owner's cabin. The central island bed adds to Good Juju's level of luxury and comfort. Hatches and ports allow copious amounts of light to enter the cabin. The cabin is well ventilated and features good storage solutions. The side ports are equipped with sliding shades that can block out all the light. The private head is spacious and very functional and features an electric freshwater toilet and an elegant sink. The spacious walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and folding plexiglass shower door. Located at the starboard side of the salon is the aft head that also features an electric freshwater toilet, elegant sink, and spacious walk-in shower with plexiglass door. Additionally, this head has access from both the salon and the starboard aft cabin. The Sun Odyssey 440 has 2 large aft cabins that are bright and comfortable spaces and have excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. Just like the rest of the boat, there are handy plugs that feature USB charging for all your electrical devices. The port aft cabin is also a bright and comfortable space that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed, along with access to the battery switches. Access to the engine space is easy and under the companionway steps. The engine and engine space is clean and meticulously maintained. Good Juju is equipped with a Yanmar 57 horsepower diesel engine. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Sun Odyssey 440 strikes a perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view Good Juju, contact Little Yacht Sales.